Welcome to my channel. I'm Scott, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of valuing science application stock by analyzing their financial statements and dissecting their financial ratios. So we're going to determine if it's a buy or a sell. Let's get started with the model. This is a mid-cap company, 6.4 billion market cap. They're trading at $125 a share and they have 51 million shares outstanding. Science Applications provides technical, engineering, and enterprise information technology services, mainly in the US. Let's look at their financials. The way you value a company is you estimate the free cash flows into the future and then you discount those numbers back to today's value. That's what we're doing in this video. And free cash flow is cash flow from operations minus capital expenditures. Pretty consistent free cash flow, around $500 million a year, a little low in 2024. They did complete their 2024 fiscal year and they already completed the first quarter of their 2025 fiscal year. If that doesn't make sense, let me know in the comments and I can explain further. Net income is the profit or loss on the income statement. It's revenue minus expenses. That was highest in 2024, $500 million. It came down to $270 million in the trailing 12 months. Revenue is the sales for the company, and that's between $7 and $7.7 billion a year. It was higher in 2023 compared to the trailing 12 months. If you're not growing at least 5% a year, you're not even beating inflation. Not only are they not growing 5%, they're detracting. But they pay a dividend, which is interesting, a 1.19% dividend yield, which they can cover 6 times with their free cash flow. We estimated 4 years of future free cash flows. We also estimated a terminal value to all cash flows past year 4, that's $10 billion. We discounted those numbers back to today using weighted average cost of capital. We get a value of the company of $9.2 billion. We divide that by 51 million shares. And we get a calculated stock price of $178. They're trading at $125, so they're trading at a 30% discount. It's a buy according to the model. Do you think it's a buy or sell? Let me know in the comments. There are 59 companies in the same industry as Science Applications, and if they have a number in red, they're worse than the median. If they have a number in blue, they're better. They spend $27 million in CapEx. Their debt to equity ratio is a bit high, 1.3 for every dollar of equity. They have $1.30 of debt. They do pay a dividend. It's lower than the median, higher than the average. They generate a healthy amount of free cash flow, $460 million. They rank 18th in market cap at $6.4 billion. Their price to book is better than the average, worse than the median, but their PE, price to free cash flow, and price to sales are better than the median average. Revenue is $7.5 billion, which is more than their market cap, which is why their price to sales is below 1. Their 5-year annual revenue growth rate is 7%, a little less than the median average. Here's their latest income statement, short and sweet. Revenue, $1.8 billion, down from $2 billion. Cost of revenue, $1.6 billion. So that gives them a small operating income of $130 million, down from last year. They spent $34 million of interest on their debt. Net income, $77 million, down from $100 million. So down about 12%, and EPS is also down from 180 to 149. So to summarize, I have them trading at a 30% discount. I give them a ranking of 6 out of 10. Would I buy them? Not too keen on this company, 5 out of 10. Really good ratios, 8 out of 10. Financials are 5 out of 10. Even though their revenue is flat, they're still generating positive free cash flow. If their free cash flow wasn't this high, I would give their financials 3 or 4 out of 10. And they're paying a dividend 1.2%, so you get that guaranteed return. So let me know what you think. Give the video a like, subscribe, or comment below. If you'd like to get a custom valuation or just support the channel, you can become a member by clicking on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.